Welcome to Precision Machining, formerly known as Industrial Machining. What is precision machining? Precision machining is taking machine tools such as lathes, mills, drills, and saws and converting metal objects and plastic objects into finished items. These items can consist of anything. They could be parts used to manufacture clothing. They could be parts that are used to manufacture food. They could be rocket ship parts. They could be satellite parts, electrical connectors, car parts. The possibilities are endless. Without machining and without precision machining, there would be nothing that we could buy at the store. I'm Eric Tanger, your instructor. Let me show you the shop. We currently have one CNC mill. These types of machines, the students learn how to write the code. The code tells the machine what to do and how to produce the part. We have a CNC lathe where students learn how to make round objects. We have a tabletop 5-axis machine, so we can learn even the most high-end of machining strategies. We have a 3D printer to use to make prototype parts. Here we have a milling machine. As you can see, the workpiece is stationary and the tool bit would rotate and do the cutting. Objects that we make on a milling machine are similar to these. We mill steps, bore holes, thread holes, and various other techniques. Here we have a lathe. The lathe rotates the workpiece across the cutting edge, producing a part. Parts that we make here are similar to this. You can see we have various features, different diameters, different threads, different grip patterns, grooves, etc. We learn each of these techniques here in this class. In the class, students will learn basic machine repair and basic machine maintenance. This program is a 2-year, half-day program, with the typical schedule being juniors coming in the morning and seniors coming in the afternoon. Most of the seniors have an opportunity to work in the field, meaning they obtain a co-op position.